Hello dear, today we will solve exercise 7, page 25. The question is, given the figure below, this is our figure here, we have segment AB, D is the perpendicular bisector of AB, it means that it is perpendicular to the segment AB passing through its midpoint H. And H is midpoint of AB, it means that AH equals to HB. Here we have M is a point on a perpendicular bisector, so it's equidistant from both extremities of the sides. Equidistant means equal distances. So MA is equal to MB. Similarly, N is a point on perpendicular bisector, so I can say that NA equal NB since N is equidistant from both extremities of segment AB. Now, it's required to show that the true triangles AMN and BMN have the same perimeter. Look with me at the figure. AMN. This is our first triangle. AMN. I'm marking it with red to see well what am I talking about. And the other triangle is BMN. It has three sides, BN, BM, and MN. Okay? I have to show that they have the same perimeter. To find the perimeter of a triangle, I have to find the sum of the sides. So it's required to prove that the sum of AM, MN, and AN is equal to the sum of BN, BM, and MN. First, if you look here, MN is a common side. Okay? And as I told you, since D is the perpendicular bisector of AB, how did I know that? D is perpendicular to AB through point H, and H is midpoint of AB. They gave me this in the coded figure. So MN has the same length. Now, M is a point that belongs to the perpendicular bisector, so MA equals to MB. Since any point on the perpendicular bisector is equidistant from both extremities, okay? And similarly, NA equals to NB. Why? Since N is a point on the perpendicular bisector, so N is equidistant from A and B, then NA equals to NB. Now, how to write? Okay, you understand the idea. Now, let's see how to write it. Since MN perpendicular to AB at H, and H is the midpoint of AB, this is MN perpendicular to AB at its midpoint H. So, D is the perpendicular bisector of AB. Or the same, MN is the perpendicular bisector of AB. Okay, so I can say that MA equal to MB and NA equals to MB on the figure. The perimeter of triangle here, AMN. How to find the perimeter? It's the sum of sides. The perimeter of AMN equals to AM plus AN plus MN. Similarly, the perimeter of triangle MBN equals to MB plus BN plus MN. AM equals to MB and AN equals to BN. I proved it here. MA equal to MB and NA equal to MB, and MN is a common side. So, the perimeter of the two triangles are equal. It's so easy, but I have to concentrate well. Okay? Please don't forget to write the answers correctly on your book. Thanks for your attention.